Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Internet Benefits Tips. Today in this video we're gonna learn about creating or changing the password of your user account in any Windows XP 7, 8 or 10. So how can we do it? It's easy and very simple. Just follow my steps. In the start, in the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Click on User Accounts. Then click on Manage another account. And here you'll find all the users available in your computer. Let's go on this user. This user don't have a password. Let's create a password. As you see, there's an extra option, Password Hint. This option is visible for everyone who are using your computer, so don't put your password here. You can put a letter or a word, just a reminder for you to don't forget your password. After that, click on Create a Password. Now your user is protected. Let's say you wanna change your password. Click on this option, Change the Password. And here you can create a new password. That was for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Subscribe to my channel to get more tutorial videos and don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Internet Benefits Tips.